Hello YouTube, it's Brandon, the Prepared Grunt. As you can see, I no longer have my big, beautiful beard. Very heartbroken about that. But due to current events, figured it was about time. So the reason I'm making this video is so that I can demonstrate a little bit better on how to properly get a good seal. As I demonstrated in my last video, you can use Vaseline with as big of a bushy beard as I had. Vaseline wouldn't have, it would have given me a good, decent seal, but there's a lot higher chance that it wouldn't have gotten that perfect seal. With shorter beards, where you keep it nice and trimmed and it's nice and tight, you can get those, get that seal a lot easier with Vaseline. Getting it worked all the way down into the skin or down to the skin, and then getting that mask nice and tight around wherever it's supposed to mount on your face. So now I'm gonna go ahead and with my clean shave, I'm gonna let you see what it looks like with, this is my actual N95. So I put it on right here, back behind my ears, just like before. Loop over my ears, and then because I still have my long hair, up and under my ponytail. Now I can feel that it's sliding down. So I need to get the nose adjusted. And I've got it nice and tight. I have a good seal. Now I know this makes it a lot harder for me to be heard. I'm having to speak a little louder, but that does also help to demonstrate a seal. So the standard type of mask, the standard type of N95 mask is these right here. This is technically my brother-in-law's, but I'm gonna put it on for a moment just as for demonstration purposes. So you see how it's got this metal piece right here. That's for the bridge of your nose that goes on the top. This right here is an exit valve. When you exhale, air blows out of that. Whereas when you inhale, it goes through the filaments, through the fibers all around here. That's how the air gets into you. So when you put it on, you hook it like so, up and over the top. Like that. Now I have my ponytail looped in this, so it's not quite fitting right on the back, but it's still getting a good seal here. I can feel, now you see right here, I don't have it adapted to my nose. You saw my glasses fog up a little bit maybe. That's because I don't have it fitted good to my nose. In order to get it fitted properly to my nose, you have to pinch it down right here. Pinch it down good and tight. While you are pinching, you should feel pain. While you are pinching, you should feel a little bit of pain, because that means that you're actually getting it clamped down to where it needs to be. Once you relax, once you release, it's gonna spring back out just a little bit, and that pain, that tension will go away on your nose. But obviously you don't want to squeeze down so hard to break your nose or something like that, which I couldn't see anybody actually managing to do, but there are special people out there. So you do want to feel discomfort and, whenever you're pinching it down, but then once you release, it should release a little bit to relieve the pressure on your nose. But you want to make sure you have a good seal with that, and that's a good way to test, because that's the most common. Right here and right up under here are the most common areas that the seal breaks or doesn't get completed. And so a good way to test that is to put some glasses or something on and exhale in your mask. If you see vapor come up here to where it whites out your glasses a little bit, it means you don't have a good seal around your nose. Another way is put your hand down here and exhale. If you feel air blowing out through here, it means you don't have a good seal. So it's very important you make sure you get a good seal with these masks. Otherwise, you might as well just wear a surgical mask. Now, as I said before, any mask is better than nothing. So even wearing a bandana is not a bad idea. If that's all you have, put it on your face. Keep yourself covered, and that'll help to prevent and slow this thing down. So thank you for watching. As always, uplift everyone you know. Stay safe out there. Have a great day.